So friends, in this video we're watching the beautiful latest mandir designs, and even I'm going to share their price, size, what are the perfect size for your homes, and which are the best materials for mandir designs. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get start the video. Wood has a timeless natural charm that blends beautiful with any home decor. So you can see in this video. So be it is a traditional or modern, whether it is plywood, even a shisham, teak or mango wood, because a wooden mandir adds a warmth and elegance to your space, making it feel inviting and divine. Wooden mandirs, especially made from high quality woods like plywood, shisham or teak, are built to last for decades because many are chemically treated to termite and water resistant. So ensure your sacred space stays pristine for years. So you can choose for customizable design and versatile designs. So from intricate hand carved designs to sleek minimal styles, a wooden mandir comes in endless varieties. So you can choose the wall mounted mandir for small space or grand floor standing ones for larger homes. Even the modern mandir comes often with the practical features like drawers, shelves and LED lighting. So this makes it easy to store puja essentials like lamps, incense and ideals, keeping your sacked space organized and clutter free. So friends, you can see that the beautiful designs are available. So friends, now we're going to discuss the size, so which depends upon your space and needs. So the width for one person, if you are performing puja, a minimum 2 feet width is sufficient, and the height will be 2 by 2 or 2 by 4. It totally depends upon the or that we are doing while sitting or standing. So the size of mandir totally depends upon this. So if you are sitting during puja, the base unit should be 2 feet height. So the ideals are at eye level, and for standing, the base unit height should be around 30 inches. The overall height of the puja unit should be 4 to 5 feet for a 2 feet wide unit. Ideally, the height should be double and the width for balance proportions. So friends, actually the size comes in different designs like 2 by 2, and means 2 feet will be height and 2.2 feet will be width, and another size is 2 by 6, 2 by 5. Another one, if you have more idols, so you can take the width of 2.5 or 3 feet. So and the price totally depends upon the size. So actually 2 by 2 it will cost you almost 3,500 to 5,000 rupees. So it totally depends upon the designs, and if you'll go with 2 by 4 it will starts from 6 to 7,000 rupees, and if you want 6 by 2 it will cost 9 to 10,000 rupees, and 2.5 by 6 it will cost 12,000 rupees. So that totally depends upon the designs. Another one which has doors, for this will cost you almost 13 to 14,000 rupees, 2 by 6, and if you want to 2.5 by 6 it will cost 16,000 rupees. So friends, actually which I'm talking about is the mandir which are made with the plywood. So you will get in a less price, like which are made from particle board or MDF. It will cost almost, so 2 by 6 it will cost you almost 6 to 7,000 rupees. But my suggestion is that always select a good quality of material, because it is more durable and strong material which can last for decades. So while buying, you should remember some important points, like always check the quality of the mandir, and the height. So think about that, how many peoples are doing puja or how many idols are keeping in the mandir, and if you are praying while sitting or standing, and always check the room size so that it can fits your room. So friends, if you have lots of space in your room, so go with the floor mounted, and if you have small space, then wall mounted mandir is best. So you can select as per your room space and as per your budget.